We're here at Accessories International, and today we're going to be giving you a breakdown of the new Android 14 systems that are coming in the Android command screens for Mercedes-Benz. Here at Accessories International, we install the screens, we give you the troubleshooting steps, we make videos to show you how to do it yourself at home, and we also give you full tech support. We sell the screens online, and our full team in Miami takes care of you for any questions. So today we're going to be covering a commonly asked question, which is when you open up the original car display option, you are not able to see the OEM menu. You're getting a parameter error. It says, please match the parameters. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is open our settings icon, get to our factory option here. Passcode is 190627. We'll go ahead and open up our vehicle display option. You see here, if you scroll, you have several options that you can choose from. So the option that we're looking for on this specific radio, this is a 4.5, 4.7 Mercedes radio, we're going to be choosing the NTG _ 800 by 480 option. Now this video also applies regardless of what NTG version you have. If you have a 5.0, a 5.5, or a 4.0, you're simply just gonna scroll through these options and look for what applies to you. So here you can see we have two options for 5, depending on what your original screen's resolution was. So you can choose either one and test them, go back to the original display and see how it looks. Same thing with the NTG 4, NTG 6, we have several different options that you can use. For the 4.5, this will be the one that we use. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to the OEM display. We can hit the car info icon, and now you can see we have the original display working. Another common issue will be the LVDs connection. If your LVDs connection from the original Mercedes radio was not plugged into the LVDs in input that we have on the new Android harness, you may not have anything here. And lastly, another common issue that we see, people will just have the radio turned off. So if you have the radio powered off, you're not going to be able to see any car information as the radio is off. So make sure you'll hit the on button, and there it goes, it turns back on. Guys, if you have any other questions for us, always feel free to give us a call. We're here in Miami, Florida, ready to help. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you next time.